Hi, welcome to the new era of marketing. Looks like another door has opened again. You see, things are changing, and it's about to get pretty exciting habang pinapanood mo to. And I'm happy you're here to listen. I'm sure narinig na natin ang salitang direct selling at network marketing. Sa mga experience natin sa industry na to, yung iba kumita, yung iba naman hindi. Depende sa input mo or depende sa kumpanyang sasalihan mo. Nakita din natin na maraming nabigyan ng livelihood opportunity sa pag-push ng iba't ibang mga produkto. Ang mga industriyang ito ay recognized as a proven marketing strategy locally and internationally over the years. Pero bakit nga ba nahihirapan ang mga tao sa marketing strategies na to? Well, we have all witnessed the rise and fall of countless companies in different parts of the world. At sa pagpasok natin sa taong 2025, we are now entering a new era of marketing. Ano ba ang ibig kong sabihin? Inflation is unstoppable. Ang presyo ng pagkain ay umaakyat. Rentals, gasolina, transportation at lahat ng bill sa bahay. People want to spend less and save more. Yung mga kumpanya na hanggang ngayon ay nagbebenta pa rin ng overpriced membership packages at mga overpriced na mga produkto para lang makapagbigay ng malaking komisyon ay unti-unti nang bumabagsak. You see, people find a way to buy a product with better value. Kung hindi sasabay ang mga kumpanya sa bagong trend or simply rely on their conventional ways of doing things without objective solutions to sell, it won't last long. Because the market is getting smarter. May mga bagong opportunity na paparating at di yun maiiwasan. Kahit ano pang pag-build up ng company mo, the main question is, if ibebenta mo yung produkto mo, are you better, faster, and cheaper? If not, wala kang negosyo. That's why we started Seacrest Incorporated. Seacrest is the first company to introduce a comprehensive range of seaweed-based line of products to the market na talagang kailangan ng tao ngayon. This company is not only smart, but also visionary, driven by a commitment sa pag-harness ng pure power ng mga super nutrients ng iba't ibang klase ng seaweed. Dahil dito, nakaposisyon tayo as pioneers not only in the health, beauty, and wellness market, but also in the consumer market. And I am here para i-share sa inyo ang mga kakaibang benefits of seaweed na karamihan sa atin na hindi alam. Did you know that seaweed is a nutritional powerhouse? Itong mga marine wonders na to ay di lang masarap, kundi punong-puno ng nutrients na talagang nakakapag-contribute sa ating overall well-being. Seaweeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and unique bioactive compounds na di basta-bastang nakikita sa ibang food sources. Which led us to create products that cater to the diverse needs of individuals, from wholesome snacks, skincare, to supplements and household items. Di lang natin na-surpass ang industry standards, kundi tayo rin ang mas cost-effective than others in the market. For example, our crispy seaweed chips, the newest and innovative premium seaweed snack option compared sa mga conventional nori sheets available sa market. Hindi lang highly nutritious, kundi talagang napakasarap pa. And we're priced lower than other existing premium healthy snack brands on the market. Another example is our Seaskin UV Whitening Lotion. The synergistic effect ng seaweed formulation ng product na to ay talagang truly effective at walang katulad. And yes, you guessed it right. We are also priced at least 30 to 50% lower than most premium whitening lotions on the market. On top of this, yung mga product purchases after your membership ay may 30-day full refund. Pag di mo nagustuhan ang aming products, kindly send it back to us for inspection and you get your money back. Our mission is clear. We are committed to educate and provide an extensive range of seaweed products na makapagbibigay ng incredible benefits into our everyday life. So what's in it for you? With a company na talagang naka-align sa market trend, bibigyan namin kayo ng beginner-friendly tools, websites, shop link sites, trainings, at systems na kailangan mo para kumita ka ng mas mabilis compared sa lahat ng existing companies ngayon. The best part is, hindi mo kailangan mag-pack or ship ng products sa customers mo. Ang company na ang mag-aasikaso ng parcels at i-deliver ito to your customers' doorsteps. Yes, you heard it right. Dropshipping model din tayo. Ang galing, di ba? In fact, Itong video na pinapanood mo ay ang pinakabagong Powerline-driven na marketing system sa industriya that will allow you na mag-reserve ng free temporary position in our company bago ka mag-commit na sumali. Ibig sabihin, once you enter your name and email sa page na to, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you sa ilalim ng Powerline mo. You only have 24 hours trial period to lock in your position or miss out. So you can lock in your position and start your journey with us by becoming a member of Seacrest for just 498 pesos a month, plus a one-time affiliate sign-up fee of 2,498 pesos up to 9,498 pesos depende sa volume ng products na kailangan mo. The best part is, you'll also get a free seaweed product package that you can choose from, and it will be delivered right to your doorstep. Money value, isn't it? Hindi lang yan. Lahat ng mga taong nag-lock in ng position sa ilalim ng Powerline mo will be placed sa ating fast-filling 2x15 levels na organizational structure. So the faster you lock in your position, the higher you will be placed in the organization. By supporting and becoming a seaweed advocate, you can save money on high-quality products that keep you and your family healthy. At kung nagkataon na lagyan ka ng mga tao under your organization and you earn extra 10 to 50,000 pesos a month, mas maganda. Hindi lang yan. Once lumaki na yung organization mo, pwede kang kumita up to 800,000 pesos a month, attainable without forcing you to enroll a single person. In case you're wondering, pati na din yung mga taong nagposisyon ng maaga, since no choice sila at posibleng malagyan sila ng mga tao or active subscribers, sila rin ay entitled sa monthly subscription bonus kahit wala silang na-enroll. Amazing, di ba? And if you choose to enroll and share Seacrest opportunity to people, you'll earn a lot more with our weekly fast start commissions. Here's how it works. For example, you enrolled 5 people. You will earn 30% affiliate commission on every person you choose to enroll. Ibig sabihin, the person you enroll ay makakatanggap ng free products at may 30% bonus ka pa. Ang laki, di ba? On top of this, you'll even earn bigger with our monthly matching bonuses. Hindi ka lang kumita sa referral commission, kundi you will also match 50% of whatever the amount of their monthly bonuses. Let's take a look at the math. If each of those 5 people you personally enroll earns a 50,000 peso subscription bonus, you will match 50% of that amount, which is 25,000 pesos each person. So that's a total of 125,000 pesos just from matching bonuses. The best part is, there's no limit to how many people you can match. The more people you enroll, the more income matches you'll receive. Not to mention the match earnings up to 5 generation levels. Ibang klase. Now it gets even more exciting. You can increase your income multiplier kapag ikaw ay na-promote from director rank up to the highest rank, which is global director. So ang dami mong options dito sa Seacrest, di ba? Not to mention may mga company benefits pa. Grabe, halos binalik lang din ulit sa mga affiliates nila. Nasa iyo na lang talaga kung gaano mo kabilis gusto kumita. It's your decision to make. Now, let's move to the industry's most frequently asked question. Magkano ang maximum income dito or limit ng pwedeng kitain? The answer is, wala. Walang minimum or maximum. Dito sa Seacrest, you are free to earn however, wherever, and as much as you desire. Forget about the traditional safety nets and flush outs. Hindi lang generous yung compensation, but most importantly, may nakukuha kang money value products sa lahat ng bayad mo. Dapat lang naman. With hundreds and maybe thousands of people joining Seacrest in the next 12 months, mapupunta yung accounts nila sa mga taong nakapasok at nakapag-secure na ng position ng mas maaga sa ating organization. Once again, the sooner na ma-lock in mo yung position mo, the higher you will be placed in the group organization. Now, if you think we can help you live a better and healthier life over the next 12 months, then be one of us. So fill out the form and discover why people are calling Seacrest the new market disruptor. Let me end this video by saying, here in Seacrest, we don't convince people. People convince themselves. And together, let's transform lives, one seaweed at a time.